Double lens. So we've been making lenses, I've been making lenses for years, and flat discs are all very attractive, but there's something very attractive about actually cupping them, just distorting them slightly. And so I've been working on scientific projects for many, many years, or things that are inspired by natural science. And I talk a lot about the golden section and Fibonacci numbers. And so every circle that you see, every diameter is related, and it's not the focus of the work, and it's not a law within my creations, but it's something that I'm mindful of as I create the bits. And so the bar sizes and the number of radiating arms subdivide and bifurcate to those orders, and that's why they allude so well to natural forms. And in this case, I've taken two lenses, put them edge to edge, but then created the vortex through the centre, especially for this exhibition. So I've never done one of these before, but this double lens is for this portal exhibition. And every piece is reminiscent of a gateway, a time zone, a guardian. And so I hope you see that it really does represent so many things we see in nature, whether it be leaf skeletons, ripples on water, and the whole thing of course, is presented on this rather, I hope, attractive base. We've flipped what was the polished sculpture into a polished base and left the sculpture itself as a matte patina. So the stainless polish helps to suspend it, to keep it floating and weightless. So, well, double lens.